My name is Abdelaziz Akombi. I'm the lead organizer of this DevFest Student Edition 2023. As we are seeing today, we are having the workshop day, which is on web, and here too we have a workshop on augmented reality, we have a workshop on Flutter for mobile, and also a workshop on design.
Hello everybody, my name is Aliyah Kalejai. Welcome to DevFest Ilorin State Edition 2023.
Hi guys, my name is Imam Bashar Abdul Wahab and I'm the Google Developer Students Club's lead for University of Ilorin. I'm popularly called 24. So we are at DevFest Student Edition here in Ilorin, and this is the workshop session for day 1.
DevFest Ilorin Student Edition 2023.